Introduction. Analysis of variance, also called ANOVA, is a statistical method used to compare two or more means. It may seem odd that the technique is called analysis of variance rather than analysis of means. The name is appropriate because inferences about means are made by analyzing variance. ANOVA is used to test general rather than specific differences among means. This can be seen best by example. In the smiles and leniency case study, the effect of different types of smile on leniency shown to a person was examined. 4 different types of smiles, neutral, false, felt, and miserable, were investigated to see how they might attenuate the judgments of possible wrongdoing. One way to compare the 4 different smiles' impact on leniency shown is to test the differences among means with the Tukey HSD test, as described in the section All Pairwise Comparison Among Means. The results from the Tukey HSD test are shown in this table. Notice that the only significant difference is between the false and neutral smile conditions. ANOVA tests the non-significant null hypothesis that all 4 population means are equal. That is, mu false equals mu felt equals mu miserable equals mu neutral. This non-specific null hypothesis is sometimes called the omnibus null hypothesis. When the omnibus null hypothesis is rejected, the conclusion is that at least one population mean is different from at least one other mean. However, since the ANOVA does not reveal which means are different from each other, if it offers less specific information than the Tukey HSD test. The Tukey HSD test is therefore preferable to an ANOVA in this situation. Some textbooks introduce the Tukey test only as a follow-up to an ANOVA. However, there is no logical or statistical reason why you should not use the Tukey test even if you do not compute an ANOVA. You might be wondering why you should learn about ANOVA when the Tukey test is preferable. One reason is that there are complex types of analysis that can be done with ANOVA and not with the Tukey test. A second is that ANOVA is by far the most commonly used technique for comparing means, and it is therefore important to understand ANOVA in order to understand research reports.